besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. As I continue to organize my craft room, I bring another organizing solution to you. Are you excited? My goodness, I am a bit overwhelmed because I have to fit all of my stuff into a small room now. Used to be all over the basement. Well, I'm sure many of you can relate with the wreath forms. I used to put these in a bin, but it's not a good solution. I mean, I can see what I have, but still, there's so many of them, and they're different shapes and sizes. The lid doesn't even want to close. They get tangled, and before I find what I need, it's like, oh my goodness. Who can relate? Type down below, let me know. So my husband and I put our thinking hats and came up with a good solution. I think you're gonna like it and you're gonna find it helpful. Doesn't take up a whole wall, too much space. I think you'll like it. If you do, please press thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more and stay in touch with me. I make a lot of DIYs on the budget. Still, they don't look cheap. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun together. If you hit the red button, become my bestie. That way we're gonna be in touch, okay?
And if you haven't seen how I organized my flowers, feel free to look up this video. And if you're wondering how I organize my ribbons, I have a video for that too. I'll place a link for you in the description box below. So I have one wall full of ribbons, another wall full of flowers. I also have my buffalo check wall, which I want to leave as is. And on this wall, I have some shelves for the vases and other containers and a closet underneath the stairs. I hide it behind a curtain, and my husband installed 2 rods for me. That's where I plan to hang my wreath forms. These are just simple rods I made out of dowels. They were inexpensive. You can also use curtain rods or suspension rods, wherever you might have on hand. I have 2 here. Maybe you have an old curtain rod just like this. You could use it as well. I got a dowel from Home Depot that was less than $2. And at the bottom here, I have a shelf. That's where I'm gonna put some plastic storage containers. And the bottom is actually a drawer on wheels. My husband built it, so I'm able to pull it out. That way I can reach the things in the back as well. And some of you were asking, how am I storing my deco mesh? So this is what I did. I got 2 clear bins, one for the smaller rolls and one for the 21-inch rolls. So it's easy to see what I have, and when I don't need it, I simply roll it away and hide it behind my curtain. But going back to organizing my wreath forms, I'm going to use these dowels to hang my wreaths. I have some grapevines here, also some of the straw wreaths that I bought at Michael's on sale. And let's see, some of those green foam wreaths, and simply hang it like this. We have some room left over. How about we add the beaded wreath forms as well? Now let's start organizing the wired forms, like the witches' hats and the snowmen. They're the tallest. I'm gonna put these on the side here. And then I was thinking, how can I make it easier? And I thought of these clips. There are 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And they can help you sort these out, keep all of the same type together. Simply clip it on the rod, and it's easy to put them on, and then easy to remove them. You don't have to take out the whole rod to pull out a wreath form from a center, right? You can just simply slide them over. Let me just add these bunnies here. And the infinity form is another big one, so let me just store it away there too. You see, I don't have enough clips to hang all of them on the clips yet, But I guess the goal would be to put all of them on the clips eventually. That would make life even easier. Right now I'm sorting out each type. Eggs all together, easy to reach. Slide it to the side and look how much I can store here. I love it. I found one more bike wheel. So look, I can just simply open it and add there and boom, done. Now I have the square forms. Let's see what's the best way to hang these. Maybe diagonally, like that. Let's try it. Perfect. Now the hearts. You see now it makes it so easy to keep all of my forms together. I see what I have. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. If you like this solution, maybe you could leave me a heart emoji or a smiling face. What do you think? I appreciate it. I have a whole bunch of forms left, so I had to go back to the Dollar Tree and look for some more clips. I was so upset they had only 2 packs left, so I had to walk around, look for other solutions, and I thought of the book rings. I think they will do the job as well, especially with the forms like this. I have one of each, for example. And let's see, we are going to open, put it around the rod, clip it, and look, hangs great. I like it, and I can still take it out of the whole bunch when I need it. Let me hang the whole rest. For the pumpkins, they're heavy, they're big forms. I'm going to use the clips. And how about I place them to the side over here? And same with the football wreath forms. Perfect fit. Okay, we are going to finish this off with the round wreath forms. I have a whole bunch of them and they're real heavy. I'm thinking I might have to replace my wooden dowels with the metal rods eventually, because as you can see, they're bent from the heaviness of the wreath forms. I didn't expect I fit that much here. But for now, it works. Oh, it feels so good to have things organized. You don't even know. What a relief. I really like this solution, and the best part is that whenever I need a wreath form, it's easy to find it. Let's say a bike wreath I'm gonna make. I'm gonna pull it out and clip just one, put it right back there, no problem. It's all nice and organized, and I'm happy to hide them behind the curtain because they're really not that pretty to look at compared to flowers or ribbons. And let me show you one more thing. I had some space left over here underneath the shelves, so I went to Walmart and found these drawer cards. Drawers are great to keep things organized, right? I got 2 of them, and when I put them here, I realized I still have some space left over. So I measured and went back and found this 3-drawer card, a small one. And guess what? Fits perfectly. I am so happy. I plan to put there my fabrics, burlap, papers, and signs, all other accessories there. So I'm getting there slowly, and I hope I inspired you to organize a little bit too. Take care, my besties. See you next time. Bye-bye.